Yo, Ryan, wanna hang out?
Dude, it's 9 p.m. on a Monday.
Please.
Every night tryna sleep on this plane. Every night from the bus to the stage. 2 weeks since I last took a break. Every light shine right off the shade. Got things tryna get off my chest. Some things gotta take to the
Let's go.
Did you get that?
Wanna say hi, Charles?
Yo, fuck this World Cup, bro.
Hey, Barry!
Man, fuck Morocco!
I love Morocco.
We're gonna kill
I'm
him.
indifferent.
Where is gay?
Yo, delete that footage.
Gay? Scary.
Something not gay.
What Kyle you want? I'll say hi, Kyle.
I always say hi.
I was gonna say hi.
Hey,
What the hell is even that?
turn it up, turn it up.
Part 2 of summer. They'll keep it a lame ass car ride so far. We're gonna change that right now.
Yo, turn it up, bro.
We're gonna be at the beach. Be on fire. How about you, You don't fuck with you at all. Slavery.
Moving car, by the way.
If that's what it is, if you gotta leave me, baby, I won't shed no tears. If that's what it is, if you gotta go.
Now for the weekend. Shut the fuck. Fucking help carry something or what? Help?
Yeah, come on, Josh.
Josh, I have to carry the camera, dude. Ooh.
Guys, stop fucking fighting. Let's just kill.
Let's just kill Josh. Clearly there's a common enemy here. Like H2O. There's no headlights, bro. That
See a light.
I do see that light. I'll come trek with you. Hold my gummies in my water. Let me get this street light. It's a fucking street lamp.
He's just standing there, menacingly.
Why do we keep walking? Let's just do it right here. Even if we saw cars pull up, we can't go up this way.
Yeah, we have to go back that way.
Alright, are we ready to set up shop?
Season, and I think that battle tested this group.
What are we talking about?
That's something moving, right?
Where?
Hey, you got some like.
What are we talking about?
See that all the way in the distance? the little black is a shrub, bro. Hey, all the way straight, just straight.
Bro, you got eagle vision? The fuck? I don't see anything.
Wait, no, zoom in a little bit. Yeah, that thing.
Brother, that's a lifeguard tower. Boo.
Oh shit.
How you doing? Yo, what's up, guys? You know what this is giving? I came to visit.
I'll be the boyfriend.
Night vision.
It's white.
Yeah, it like turned him white. I'm gonna scale this mountain, and by mountain I mean boulder, and by boulder I mean pebbles.
You cut your hair, but you used to live a blind.
Yo, should I be scared, Ryan?
Nah, just look at the ocean. Just turn around and look at the ocean. Alright, I'm gonna turn off the camera real quick. There's shit in the lens. Like, cause my vision,
I see it.
My vision's really blurry without glasses, so all the lights merge and it looks like Disney.
Wait, I see it. I have the same thing, bro.
Alright. Guys, I found a pre-dug fire pit.
Is this?
Yeah, come here. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Bro, look at this.
That's really good.
Ooh, you dripped out. Ooh, there's flex on him. Okay. Say hi.
Because you're gonna disalign my spine when you hit me from the back. What? I know you like Amy Winehouse.
Slam poetry. Cynthia.
Tell me you're filming this shit, dude.
Got his fucking.
Yo, wanna live by
the beach, a nice little beach.
You're so nice.
You hear that?
Nice and long.
Shut the fuck up! You hear that nice misty breeze flowing over the water. Feel yourself levitate slightly. You're being thrown back to. Hold on a second. I'm going somewhere. Josh just said, "All right, y'all. See you later." Keep listening to the waves. Shut up! Let me finish! The sink just finished. You just finished brushing your teeth.
What the fuck did he just say?
The sink just turned off. We're all getting into our beds. We all go to sleep. We all wake up. Josh says, "Oh, you guys trying to hang out today?" So you text him, "Fuck you!" You feel very happy about it. You have a hot dog in your pants? You say, "No, mom." In the fucking camera.
Oh, that shit, my fault.
We feel nice and calm and breezy. Take 3 deep breaths.
Like Poseidon's feeding you grapes. Are we leaving, Charles?
What the fuck is we?
Sorry.
Oh, shit.
Am I leaving?
Let's go.
Charles, you got me us? Nope.
Wait, I got you, Josh. Ew, I gotta hand sanitize this hand. Dude, are you fucking leaning back? Dude, brother. Oh shit!
This shit, bro. I make this shit.
Right out! What happened? What happened, Charles? He sat on his balls. We got you, bro.
Yeah, I'll give you 20 on my fucking record, bro. I'm sorry.
On your record? That got you sleeping.
Bro.